Hi everyone, welcome back to Kitchentastic. Hope you are good. So on the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, today I am going to show you how to make Hyderabadi Malida Modak. So you can see it's perfect. So to make Hyderabadi Malida Modak we require, let's start. To a large empty bowl add maida 1 cup and suji rava 1 cup and add ghee or clarified butter 1 tablespoon. Mix it well. Mix till the maida absorb all the clarified butter. Add water as required. Knead a perfect soft dough. So our dough is ready. Now sprinkle little bit of water and press the dough and keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes again we are going to knead the dough and divide into 3 equal portions. Dusting maida or all-purpose flour, roll out each portion into thick round bread or roti. Place the bread or roti on preheated pan and roast thoroughly on both the sides. So our Malida bread is ready. Repeat the process with other 2 portions. When it is hot, break into pieces and rub it with your hands. Hope you are tired, but for tummy you need to make it yummy. So remember that. At last we are going to enjoy the modak. This is perfect. Now we are good to go. Start adding sugar as per your taste. I am adding around half cup sugar and mix it thoroughly. Add saffron stick, it's optional. Add cardamom powder and start mixing. Sprinkle some water and mix it. And at last we are going to grease our modak mold. Start stuffing in mold. Add chopped dry fruits in middle. Slowly close the mold and remove the excess stuffing and press it. Now open slowly and here our modak is ready. Hooray! I just want to taste it. So hope you like my recipe. Do try and enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.